San Antonio is huge on barbacoa. I was very nervous to do it, especially in this city, especially knowing how people feel about it. My food isn't full-blown Mexican, but it definitely has Mexican flair to it. Barbacoa does help me bring out those influences that I grew up with. I feel that it brings out my heritage in Central Texas style barbecue. I knew that I wanted to do something different, something that a lot of other people weren't doing. I did it my way because in my mind it's the best way. I was tired of just seeing white bread, you know. I grew up eating tacos and I was like, this is what I want. I want tortillas. I want fresh ingredients. I want, you know, those southern flavors to stand out in my product. It's taken people a minute, but I feel that within time they'll see what quality and what passion goes into, you know, barbecue, and they'll be able to see what it is that we're trying to do here. We get here around 5 in the morning. First thing I do is I come in, unlock the restaurant, start getting the fire the way I want it to, and then from that point on, I'll start getting everything ready for my seasoning, and then I start pulling briskets out, I start seasoning those. Those are usually on the pit, ready to roll by 6:30, sometimes 7 o'clock, depending on how fast I want to go. I started working with John Lewis 2014. I feel that the fact that he mentored me definitely helped me gain the confidence that I needed to be able to open up my own place. The hardest part in learning barbecue is the patience to be able to overcome all the obstacles that come in your way. Whether you have wet wood that day, whether your fire's not doing what it wants, whether your briskets came in trimmed crappy, whether the weather's disgusting, whether your pit doesn't have a good draw, you know, whether your seasoning isn't sticking right. It's patience, man. It's being able to stick through it, knowing that if you do it right, the end product is going to be phenomenal. The Smokehouse, we built it from the ground up. After a good solid month of Joe and I just being in there 24/7, all the time, we said, you know what, if we're gonna live here, we gotta at least make it feel like home. My landlord, he has a business right next door to us who owns a mattress place. He gave us our first mattress, so that's how we slept that night. We just threw that mattress on the floor, and from that point on, it just felt more like home. every Sunday when I was a kid. We go to the Molinos, we pick up barbacoa and a Big Red. It's always barbacoa and Big Red. And I had an uncle of mine who would dig a hole and put the cow head, you know, put the banana leaves in there, and we'd cover it up and we'd cook it that way. I wish I could do it here that way, but we can't. And I started getting older, and it got to the point where, you know, the chicken just started getting too dark by the end of the night. And eventually it got to the point where I just kind of told him, let me start cooking, let me figure this stuff out. And I knew at that moment, like, what was going on this grill was something magical. Barbecue is Texas. It's a way of life here. It's very important to us. It's embedded in our blood, I guess in our genes. I don't know, man. People just love it. I know I do. The success that we've had has definitely been surreal. It's a huge accomplishment. And as far as us putting San Antonio barbecue on the map, I mean, I'm just trying to make good barbecue. I grew up in this city. The city means everything to me. So to be able to contribute to it in this way is phenomenal. So much has happened, so many things that I would think about and dream about years ago that are happening now, and it blows my mind. I'm very appreciative for it, and I'm gonna keep, you know, busting ass and just trying to be as good as I can, just getting better and better each day.
焼き鳥は江戸時代230年前に愛媛県の神社のお祭りの屋台から始まりました。